Common Sense Outdoorsman. We are in whiteout conditions here in the Colorado Rockies. Pretty crazy weather. Middle of March. This is outside my street. And it's absolutely crazy. Just can't see a thing. Here comes a vehicle I can hear. Maybe it's a plow. Let's see what it is. I don't see any lights yet, but I hear it. Nope, maybe not. Oh, I hear it again. Here it comes. Let's watch this vehicle come by. Looks like a plow. Yeah, it is. Good view of a plow, good timing. Plow not plowing, just kind of driving. Crazy stuff. Common Sense Outdoorsman, enjoying the weather. Talk to you later. Bye.